HCM M4-2, route an order request to a purchase order. In this video, we will learn how to route an order request to a purchase order. When you have already registered in the order request form a client, it may happen that you don't have availability of stock of the goods requested. If so, you will need to purchase the goods. Imagine the situation that you are going to purchase those goods from a supplier, local or international. In this case, a purchase order will be generated. So, to route this request into a document out, first make sure the order request is in Open status, and then click on the Route button. This is the routing window. The main thumbnail indicates the information regarding the content of the order, the articles that you have to route, its code, description, and quantity. Afterwards, you have other two thumbnails, stock availabilities, if you want to release the goods from the store, if there's inventory, and purchase opportunities, if you want to purchase the goods requested. In this example, we have to purchase the goods. So go to the thumbnail, Purchase Opportunities. The information displayed is the item number, the code, the description, type of document, supplier, price, quantity to be ordered, the balance, which is the quantity pending to be validated. And we have to fill in the gaps one by one. Here is where we can determine which type of document out we want to create. In this example, a purchase order, so we leave this option. Now it is time to specify from which supplier we want to order those goods to do so. Click on the arrow and scroll down to find and select. If you want to update now the information regarding the price of the item, it is possible to do so at this moment and also register the date the price was given by the supplier and the time frame for which it will be valid. Now you just have to validate the quantity to be ordered in this box and click Enter. The balance column will appear now with the value 0. Everything is done now in the routing window, so we can create the document out, which will be a purchase order. To do so, go back to the thumbnail, Items to be routed, and click on the icon in the right upper corner of the page. The document out will be automatically created. Click Enter, and you will go back to the request. If we review the order request, we will see the changes. We have validated 3, 1, 100, and 0 units to be routed into a purchase order that has the reference 12003 EST Z104. To finish, fill in the document out. The easier way is to double-click on the reference like this. To finish the purchase order, just indicate the requested delivery date in here. This is the date when the goods have to be received in coordination from the supplier. Always take into account that you will need to reserve time to manage the transport from coordination to ProDate. If you have any remark to be printed, write it here. If any remark for yourself, write it in internal remarks and it won't be printed. Change the status to Open. And now create the PDF file by clicking on the printer icon like this. To finish, print it, sign it, following the financial chart of signatures in the supply guideline, and send it to the supplier.